For dinner, we're gonna make corn muffin using my camp oven, folding oven. Alright, unboxing. This is for the shelf, and here's the oven. It's compact, and there's the instruction. So to set up the oven, unlatch here, unlatch here, and then open it. So the bottom also folds in and folds up. And then the top you also pull out and lock. And then lock it using the latch. So everything is locked. Make sure all the latches are in there. Make sure all the tabs goes into the slots, so it's all locked, top, bottom, and to open, just turn it. There you go. Then depending on which level you want, lower or higher, probably do the lower one. Then you have a rack, and theoretically it can go up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's good enough for all your baking needs. Just ignite this. Okay, preheat to 400 degrees. Now it's 300 degrees, you need 400 degrees. And then just mix egg, milk, and corn mixture before we're gonna put it. It's gonna be lumpy, that's what it says. Then it goes in that, and then in the oven. So okay, it's already almost 400, so it's not moving past 400, so we're just gonna load our corn batter. Is it hot? Oops.
It's 400 degrees, Uncle. Yes.
Yeah.
It's hot.
It's hot. So in it goes, and
Alright.
13 minutes to 17 minutes.
Time is on.
Hopefully it will be good, so we can have some cornbread. The end product, after baking for 17 minutes total at 400, but actually the temperature went down to around 320, 350, but it looks good, it's brown. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna slice these into 3. Actually into 6. There's 3 of us, so 2 each. and it's soft. It's ready to serve, ready to eat. The side is probably crusty. The cornbread is ready to eat. Will taste crunchy and delicious. Crunchy from the outside and moist in the inside. Cornbread in a camp.